So I was over here taking a walk through City Park. They got this path right here, and this one section of the path floods out every time it rains. And then right there, they got a duck just chilling in the middle of the puddle. So I think I'm gonna go around. What? Oh, man! I felt right in the mud, and there's a lot of duck poop in here too. Man, it's all over me. Oh, man, stupid puddle. Man, I'm just gonna go around. Oh, man. Man, all of those birds are laughing at me. Man, shut up, birds. Hey, kids, get them. Yeah, who's laughing now? Oh, man, anyway, I'm gonna have to go home and wash because I am covered in mud and bird poop.